Okay, welcome. Let's go straight to the point. For British pound Japanese yen, this is what we were looking at yesterday. I was anticipating buys, of course, because the sell would require us going rolling through a lot of demand order blocks or demand zones. So the buys was easier and we were in buyer's territory. So all we got was just something of this nature, retracement and waited for. This was just what happened yesterday, this kind of price action. So I was just waiting for something like this to occur. So what happened afterwards? This is just it. Look at it. This price action. So one of the things you learn if you want to learn from a trading veteran like me is to understand market structure, how to be to for you to easily predict price action. Okay. Though yesterday the price on British pound Japanese yen market was not really nice. Look at how long it took for us to get to our take profit. Unlike on Monday, price was just resting for 1 hour. Boom, pump, rest for 1 hour, pump. Now this is on Monday. This was on Monday. Then for yesterday, price rested 3 hours before pumping, and it wasn't pumping aggressively like on Monday. So on the bottom run, on the long run, everything played out fine. Okay, so DJ played out fine, gave us our TP, and I'm anticipating it to keep rallying because weekly when buyers, daily when buyers, 4 hours when buyers territory, 1 hour buyers territory, 30 minutes buyers territory, everything should have just been pumping. For gold is in a nested market structure. We're in 4 hours sellers territory, however, in 1 hour buyers territory. So for yesterday, I was looking for buys to take me at least to this area of confluence that price could react from. On the other hand, I was also very, very careful that when the buy starts playing out, we may get Thor's hammer hitting us down. So let's see first of all what we got for yesterday. For yesterday, price played out beautifully, gave us our TP. Okay, this arrow is just making sense here. So let's see if Thor's hammer came right at the resistance or when price dipped. We'll see that when we go to the live chart. Okay. The last but not the least was Bitcoin. Bitcoin was just lovely, just lovely. Looking for buys above here, safe sells below this zone. Okay. Buys played out beautifully. Okay, just very simple. Look at it. And I'm anticipating this to keep pumping. Okay, but at least we'll see some retracement, which I believe it has done. But I'm anticipating it to keep pumping. Okay, it has gone above this crucible of violence. So let's see if it will keep moving upwards. For British pound Japanese yen, I'm not going to take any buys at the moment. Neither am I looking for sales at the moment. I just want to see what price will do. Because if you gauge the momentum of this price action, you'll see that the buyers are getting weaker as it's getting going higher. Okay, just like Icarus, as the higher you go, the closer you are to the sun. I don't want to get burned, right? But I believe I'm black, but I don't want to be burned. So with that being said, what I'm looking at is I just want to stay out of this for now. Let me see what price will give. I believe we have pound CPI. So let me see what pound CPI would give. Whatever it gives today would set us for sweet move tomorrow. Okay. Let's see for gold. Gold, what are you gonna give us? Gold. Okay. For gold is looking very sweet for some dumping. Okay. Very sweet for some dumping. The buys is not looking as clean as the sells. The sells anything below here is Chabella anticipate further bearish momentum. Anything below here. Now for you to take any price action at the moment, sweet safe sales could occur below here, this demand zone. Okay, as you can see, price is holding at this demand zone. So safe sales could occur, but expect some reaction from this support. But sales could occur below here to go down. For buys, if you look at, let me give you a strategy I've not taught before openly except for my private students. For buys, what I'm looking at is quite simple. This would work only on the 4 hours time frame. Don't use it on the 1 hour. Buys on the 4 hours time frame. If we get a bullish candle close, break and close above here. Let's say this candle does something like this. Okay, with a top wick. I want it to have a top wick. Okay, something of this nature. So what I'll be expecting is the next candle to create a bottom wick. Once it breaks this top wick, I'll be anticipating price to do what? Keep rallying to at least, let's say if we can mirror this wick to fill this wick. Let's say if we can fill this wick, then come to the top. This is on the 4 hours. Don't trade this on the 1 hour. 1 hour is not as strong as the 4 hours. Okay. Then for sales, as we've said before, safe sales would occur below here. So let's just wait below this level. This is where the sweet sales would occur. So this is on gold. Let's see what we got on Bitcoin, the last but not the least. Bitcoin, I believe, is still going to pump. Okay, it's still going to pump. What again I want to see on Bitcoin is I want to see if we're going to have I want to see if we're going to have if this candle is going to break this top, then this will indicate further bullish momentum to mirror this clean traffic to the left. Then let's see what price. Anyway, when we get here, we are going to discuss about it. Let's get to this bridge first. Okay, so we've seen some indication of retracement. I don't know if it's going to be deeper. So if it comes deeper, okay. But whichever the case, I'm in favor of buys, more in favor of buys. Sales would occur, safe sales would occur below this zone. Okay, so let's see what price is going to do. At the moment, I'm looking for buys for us to mirror this clean traffic to the left. Okay, like this to go up. This will be my area of potential area to secure a lot of the position. Then see if it will keep pumping. Then if it creates a good structure again, we can add position. But for now, this is where I'll be looking at securing some of my position. That is all for now. That's all I got for you for now. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button, comment, and like. That's all. Thanks. Bye for now.